What's up you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing our first Amazon mystery beauty box unboxing. I have never purchased a mystery box before, but so many people have been doing this recently on YouTube, and I've watched these videos and I literally just like love the concept. It's so cool. You can basically just order a box, whether it's Amazon, they do it on eBay, some brands do it, but you can basically just order like a mystery box where you pay a set amount and then you get just basically like these mystery items, and it's kind of like a surprise. It's kind of like similar to like a BoxyCharm, I guess. Like you like pay a set price but you don't know exactly like what you're gonna get. But I wanted to do a beauty box from Amazon because I've seen a lot of these videos recently and I was like, okay, we have to do this. So I went on Amazon and I was looking, and they have so many different options and like varying like price ranges and stuff, but on a lot of them they show like a little picture of basically like what to expect, and I feel like that like ruined it because then I kind of know what I'm gonna get. Like you don't know exactly the products, but it'll show like an example or whatever. So basically what I did is I told my husband Steven, I was like, here, pick one of these boxes. Like there was literally like a ton of them. I just searched beauty mystery box on Amazon. I was like, pick one of these boxes and order it and send it to our house, and I'm gonna do the unboxing. So I literally have no idea. The box just came right here, and honestly this is a pretty big box and it is very light. So I am like very concerned that there is nothing in this box. Like it literally feels like there could just be like toilet paper in there and it could not be anything. So I don't really know, but this is my first mystery box and I'm excited to check it out and do something a little bit different. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead to get to the unboxing. All right, so again, I don't know anything about this box. The only thing that Steven told me is I did ask him the price. He spent $22 on the box, which maybe that's why it's like so light. Like I wish I could like literally like share with you guys. Like this is literally like not even like a pound. Like it's very light. So I'm a little concerned, but we shall see. They had varying boxes. Like you could get ones for like less than $10. They had a lot of $10 boxes. They had ones that were like $100 and like varying basically price ranges. So I guess he kind of went with one in the middle. But then they also make mystery boxes too on Amazon that aren't just focused on beauty. Like you get like just like a totally random mystery box with just like random returns and stuff that like people have submitted to Amazon. So like you literally have like no idea what you're getting, but I know this is going to be beauty products, or at least that's what I told him. Watch me open this and it's like not even beauty. But I wanted it to be a surprise. All right, so let me try and open this box up. I'm excited. Watch, it's literally like one product for 20 bucks. Wouldn't surprise me. All right. Ooh, okay. All right, I see products in here. There's not that many. There's literally nothing in here besides like a couple products. All right, so the first thing I see right on top is e.l.f. These are their disposable applicator blending sponges. So I guess these are like little like foundation sponges. Which, if they are, strangely enough, I've actually been wanting to get those. I'll explain in a second if I could open these. Oh yeah, okay, all right, that's literally what they are. So it's like this little block, but then you can pull them apart to be like those little blending sponges that you would use to like apply foundation with, I guess. I personally would never use these to really apply foundation. You certainly could. I feel like just using your finger would kind of get the same job done. But I've actually been wanting to buy these because I've been doing my own nails, and you can actually use these to do like ombre French, where like now I have like a classic French just because I didn't have these little sponges to be able to like kind of sponge paint on the white tip, and you can use that to do like an ombre kind of blended French on your nails. So I actually wanted to go and buy these. So strangely enough, I feel like normally I would kind of be like, I don't really love that, but I think these will come in handy because I can use them for that. Aside from that, I don't know, these aren't great to like really apply your makeup with. They're fine, but you can get beauty sponges like at the dollar store literally for $1 that are probably better off than these are, but it's okay. It's e.l.f. We like e.l.f., so I'm good with it. And that was only one product, so let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, wait, I'm starting to realize now I think everything in this box is e.l.f. I didn't realize it was gonna be like that. I guess everything was the same brand? I don't know. All right. I like e.l.f., so that's not bad. Next we have the e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer. Okay. Corrective Yellow. So this is like a color correcting concealer, which actually, I like yellow color correctors. They're good for underneath your eyes to like cancel out dark circles and stuff. I don't believe I've ever tried this from e.l.f. either. Looks like this. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Oh, it feels really creamy. Put it on the skin. All right, I'm not mad at that. A little underneath the eye corrective action. That looks actually pretty nice, and it blends out nice, and it's like light enough. This would actually be pretty good for the under eyes. Also, speaking of light, I lightened my hair a little bit. Can you guys tell? I feel like my hair doesn't look that cute right now. It looked cuter this morning, but we went out for lunch and we sat outside. Because now in like New Jersey, the only thing you can really do is sit outside to eat. So we sat outside, and my hair, I think, is like the humidity just, it's not looking that cute anymore, but I did lighten it a little bit for the summer. Went a little blonder. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. But this looks like it should actually be my shade because you didn't have to put in like a shade, I don't think, because he didn't ask me and I feel like he wouldn't know. So it just so happens to be that this would actually work for me, so that's pretty nice. And I do feel like that's something that I will use. Okay, up next, ooh, this says new on it. This is the e.l.f. Shape and Stay Wax Pencil in clear. So I guess this is for, yeah, so this is like a clear wax basically for your brows. All right, I like that it's clear because then you don't have to worry about the shade being off for your brows, so that's good. Especially in a mystery box when you don't know, you know, what you're getting. I wonder if this is actually a new product or this is like old packaging that just says new. I was just thinking that right now. I was like, I wonder if it's not actually new and this is just like old, that it still says new on it, but you never know. All right, let's check this out. Oh, all right, so it's literally just like a wax stick. Let's try this on my brows. I have like obviously product on my brows. What if I like run this through? Oh, this is actually not bad at all because it's like a tiny like tip, so you can literally just run this through your brows after you already have product on them, or if you don't have any products you could also do so to just kind of get them in place. It darkens the brows a little bit but not like significantly and helps to just keep them in place. So I actually don't hate this. Is it something that I necessarily needed? No. But I feel like this is also a product that I will use and just helps like kind of lay those brows down and set them in place. So this is actually pretty cool. I've never seen this product from e.l.f. So maybe it is actually new. I don't really know. But I don't own it myself already, so I don't hate it. Ooh, okay, so next we have a highlighting duo. These shades don't necessarily look like shades that I would love, but I think these are newer from e.l.f. This is their Prismatic Highlight Duo. Let's check it out and see. Cute little packaging. Yeah, okay, so these shades are like not necessarily my favorites. We have a green and a purple. We'll do a little swatch. Ooh. I mean, they're not bad. Like, people like these shades, so it's just like me being boring. Like, I don't like really colored highlights that much. Like, if this was like gold or even like a pinky, I would love that. I just don't really wear like these more like prismatic kind of highlights, like the greens and the purples and stuff. Maybe the purple I would like do. Like it's pretty. And I feel like it would be wearable enough. The green, maybe I could use it as more of like an eyeshadow because it is a pretty color. I just probably wouldn't use this necessarily as a highlight. But the compact and everything on its own, like, you know, it has a nice mirror and then the two different highlights. So it's not like it's bad. I just don't love the color. The color on this is Blue Lagoon, which that's like interesting when it's literally purple and green, but then it's called Blue Lagoon. But they're kind of like the more colorful highlights that were really popular like a year, 2 years ago or so. So I don't love that, but sometimes you don't love everything. Okay, next we have this Flawless Matte Eyeshadow Palette. So this is a natural matte. I think that's the shade, like the name of the palette is Natural Matte. This actually looks pretty nice. These are like my neutrals. Let me open this up and let's see. We'll have to count up the amount of products too, because for $22, like, I don't know how many products there's gonna be, so we'll count it up and see like how much each one was, because like e.l.f. products aren't just like $1. You know, they're more than that now, so that's actually not that bad. Okay, so this is what the little palette looks like. These are tiny, tiny little shades, but you do get 4 different shades. Can't really even get my finger that far in there. Oh, that's actually really pigmented though. To do some swatches for you guys. This is actually pretty nice. And they look really, really pigmented. Okay, honestly, I can't complain about this at all. This would actually be great to like travel with and stuff, just to have these neutrals, sculpt out your eyes. They're all matte. You have a light, a good like crease color, a little deepener, and then a darker like matte black if you want to do like a liner or something. So that's actually really, really nice. I can't complain about this at all. And these shadows like actually look pigmented. It's not like they look like super like patchy or anything. So I've tried a lot of Wet n Wild little quads like this. I don't think I've ever tried one from e.l.f. that actually is like this. And it does come with one of these little guys, which like I hate these little things, but I mean you could use it to like apply your eyeshadow if you wanted to. That just does come right in there. So honestly, this is like kind of cute. Like I feel like I would definitely use this, so not mad about that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I spoke too soon. Here is the next product. It's literally like a, how many is there? 5-pack of the little eyeshadow applicators. So I basically got 5 of these little guys, which I won't really use. So that I don't love, but I got 5 more in case I need it. I mean, I feel like you could use this to like apply your eyeshadow. I just personally would prefer like a brush, and you know, it doesn't even have to be an expensive brush. Like you can get decent brushes for cheap. So these are just not my favorite. I don't even know. Maybe I'll keep these for like skincare products just to help as like a little scooper out, just because my nails are long. So sometimes it's hard for me to get my fingers into some products. So I use like little scooper things for them. So this could work for that. Gotta think outside of the box with some of this stuff. All right, next, this also says new. So again, I don't know if these products are like new or they're old packaging of like products that aren't new anymore. And that's why they're cheaper. But this is the e.l.f. matte lip color in Mulberry Maven. I think I've tried their matte lip color like in the sticks like this, and I think I liked it. So let's check this out and see. It's like a little lippy pencil. Do a little swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. Like for the fall time, that's beautiful. I actually really like this. It looks pigmented and it doesn't seem like it's like super drying. I mean, it's on my hand, obviously, not my lips, but it like glides on the hand like really easily. It's not like dry and patchy like some matte like lip pencils can be. So I actually really like that. And this color is really, really pretty. I definitely love berries and like deeper tones like this in the fall time especially. Beautiful. So that will definitely get use. Ooh, all right, we're redeeming ourselves a little bit. From these little eyeshadow applicators, we actually got a real brush. So this I'm excited about. So this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. e.l.f. actually makes really nice affordable brushes, which is why I say like to not go out and like buy these, like just buy a set of brushes and then you can use them all the time. They'll last so much longer than like those little things will. And e.l.f. actually makes really nice affordable ones. So we have this little dense eyeshadow brush. This is actually great because it can be used as a shader to like pack color all over your lid, but then you can also use it like on the lower lash line or even for liner if you wanted to like smoke something out a little bit thicker. I love kind of denser kind of brushes like this because it's not really that wide. So this is actually really, really nice. And I will definitely use this because I already know I like e.l.f. brushes. So I like that we got a brush in this set. Okay, next I see this little thing. So this isn't e.l.f. Like it doesn't have any branding or anything on it. So this is just like a little, I don't know, a little zippy thing, I guess, that you can put all the makeup in, which is cute. I mean, I have a bunch of makeup bags, so I don't know how much I will get use out of this, but it's a good idea, I guess, if you're getting like a bunch of makeup products, like as a surprise, it's nice to like have a little thing to be able to put your makeup in. And it's cute little colors too. It reminds me of like a little beach bag moment or something. Maybe I'll put this in my beach bags, like put my sunscreens and stuff in. That'd be nice. Because Lord knows I got more makeup than will ever fit in this little makeup bag. Like I could maybe fit a quarter. I don't know. I travel with a lot of makeup. Because you never know what you're gonna run into. You know, you always need options. Okay, next I see this looks like it has seen better days. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So this is a nail polish. It is yellow. Not that and I don't hate yellow nail polish, but it just like looks to me, the packaging, like it looks like this nail polish has like been through the ringer. It looks like it's a little old, a little dusty almost. So I don't know how I feel about this, but I don't hate yellow. That's what the color looks like. It smells fine. Not that I really know, I feel like what old nail polish necessarily smells like. It smells like a normal nail polish, so I don't hate it. And I have been doing my nails at home now, so maybe I will use it. I don't hate yellow. It's kind of like a little mustard yellow sort of vibe, but it has like a little glitter in it. So I guess this is from e.l.f. I've never seen e.l.f. nail polishes that really look like this. I don't know. This I feel like I don't love. Like I'm like questioning if this is actually e.l.f. because it kind of looks like this is just like a little like plastic thing that says e.l.f. that was just like popped on this nail polish that is not actually from e.l.f. but I could definitely be wrong. So I don't know. The nail polish is nail polish, so I'll probably use it at some point. All right, and then last but absolutely not least, we have this, which this looks like it is, this says Cosmic e.l.f. Silver. So this looks like it's just like a little thing of loose silver glitter. Which I don't really use like loose glitter in makeup, but also on nails it could be used. So, or you could definitely use like it on makeup, but it's not like pressed or anything. It's literally just like loose glitter particles. So you could definitely like put this on your eyes if you're doing like a Halloween look or something. So this I will definitely get use out of at some point. It's not gonna be like an everyday staple kind of item, but I feel like you can always find, you know, use for a little glitter, a little spritz of glitter somewhere. So this is still cute and I feel like I'll find somewhere to use it. So that was everything. All right, let's count up the products that we got and then we'll see like how much basically like did I make good on the deal? Like I don't know. So we got the glitter is 1, nail polish as a second product, eyeshadow palette as a third product. This I really liked. 4th is the little corrector. This I liked as well. 5th is these little applicators. Don't love that. 6, we have the little foundation sponge applicators. 7, the highlighter, which even though it's not shades that I would love, I don't like hate this and I feel like I will find a way to use this. 8, we have the little eyeshadow brush. 9, we have the lipstick, which this I really liked. I'll definitely wear this. And then 10, we have the little baggie to put everything in. So in total there was 10 products, which I feel like for $22, that's really only $2.20 per product, where most e.l.f. products are more than that. I feel like most of their products nowadays are like at least $3 to $4. Some of this stuff I feel like was older. It's not like brand spanking new. Like if this was filled with like e.l.f. camo concealer and their BB cream and like a lot of their new products, I would have been a little bit more excited. But I feel like for $22, 10 products isn't bad, although not all the products were makeup, because we did get like the eyeshadow applicators and the foundation applicators, so, and the bag. So it was really only like 7 products that were even considered makeup. And then you have the nail polish and the glitter. So it was really only 5 makeup products, and then like 2 nail, like the nail polish and glitter, and then like 3 kind of applicator slash bag. And I mean, you did have the eyeshadow brush too, so it really wasn't that many makeup products. But again, it wasn't necessarily a makeup mystery box, it's like a beauty mystery box. So I can't really get mad about that. You know what I mean? I do feel like I will use some of the stuff though, and especially if you're first getting into makeup, like I wouldn't suggest going out and spending a ton of money on all these different makeup products. e.l.f. is a great brand to start with and also continue to use all throughout like your, you know, makeup lifetime or whatever you want to call it. Like I still use e.l.f. products all the time, but they're definitely great when you're first beginning as well because they are more affordable. So I think something like this would be great, or if you wanted to give it to a gift maybe to someone who is just getting into makeup. For myself personally, like I would give this box maybe a 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10 maybe. Didn't love it, but I don't hate it. I think for the price it was like pretty decent, about $2.20 per product. It's pretty good. Like if this box was like 50 bucks, I would feel like I would have a different opinion, but I think for $22, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, that like at a lot of places would only get you like maybe 1 product or like half a product if we're talking like a high-end brand. So 22 bucks for 10 products, I can't hate on it. But definitely let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Like, have you ever ordered a mystery box? If you ordered a mystery box, like did you like it? Were you kind of disappointed? I feel like I'm a little in between. Like I like it, but do I love it? I don't know. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below, or if you've ordered a mystery box, where did you order it from? Like, did you really like it? Because I can definitely like continue to do these if this is something fun that you guys enjoy. I know you guys really like my BoxyCharm unboxings, my PR unboxings and stuff, so this is kind of like a different type of unboxing where I basically don't know what I'm opening, but we're checking it out together. But overall, would I like purchase this again? Probably not. I think that is my final verdict on my thoughts. But I do think that I will get use out of this stuff, so it's not like I'm just gonna like throw it out, you know what I mean? So it wasn't a waste of money. So let me know your thoughts down below if you guys want me to continue to do these mystery unboxings. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.